seats and driving tips. Always comply with the permissible number of passengers while driving, and only occupy seats that are secured with seat belts. The use of seat belts is compulsory at all times for both the front and rear seats. While driving, no passenger is allowed to stand up and walk around in the mobile home or, for instance, lay down in bed. Always be aware of the size and weight of the mobile home. For instance, it has a longer stopping distance and is higher, wider and longer than a normal car. When driving in reverse, parking and maneuvering, always have a passenger assist you. Watch out for branches and twigs that hang down. When turning, remember that the vehicle rear swings far out. Always maintain suitable side clearance and match the speed to the traffic situation.